If you're signed up for the free plan on NaturalReader Online, you gain access to a plethora of free voices. The selection of voices at your disposal is contingent upon the browser, device, and operating system you're using. With this plan, you're free to utilize any of the available free voices without limitations, enabling you to enhance your reading experience effortlessly. Whether you're on a desktop, laptop, tablet, or smartphone, the free voices cater to your preferences, ensuring a seamless and accessible reading experience across various platforms. Experience the convenience of NaturalReader, which seamlessly transforms text, PDFs, and over 20 other formats into spoken audio. Enjoy the freedom to listen to your documents, ebooks, and educational materials at any time and from any location. Discover the pinnacle of natural-sounding voices with synthesized AI, offering the highest quality audio available on the market today. Simply drag and drop your files, whether they're PDFs or images, and enjoy listening directly within the app or convert them effortlessly into MP3 files. Explore a spectrum of voice styles that add depth and emotion to your voiceovers. From friendly and terrified to shouting and whispering, infuse vitality into your narration with a range of expressive options. Dyslexia and other reading-based learning disabilities are prevalent among students, making accessibility a paramount concern in education. NaturalReader text-to-speech technology bridges this gap by facilitating reading, test-taking, and fostering independence. With NaturalReader, students have the ability to have any text read aloud to them, enabling them to follow along visually and auditorily. This dual approach minimizes the focus on the mechanics of reading, allowing students to concentrate more on comprehending the content. Additional features such as dyslexia font, adjustable reading speeds, and highlighted text further streamline the reading process, making it easier for students to complete their assignments. Learning extends beyond the classroom, and NaturalReader EDU empowers students to continue their educational journey independently. Whether they're tackling homework assignments, reading at home, or browsing the web, our Chrome extension and mobile application are readily available to support their learning needs around the clock. Effortlessly convert written text into spoken words with NaturalReader, a professional text-to-speech program. Choose from our range of subscriptions to suit your needs and budget. Our Plus subscription offers exclusive features, including access to Plus Voices, our latest and most advanced voices. Plus Voices deliver fluid and natural-sounding speech that mirrors human intonation and patterns. Free users can enjoy 20 minutes per day of premium voices and 5 minutes per day of Plus Voices, or opt for unlimited use of available free voices. Experience convenience on the go with our mobile app, which allows you to listen to physical books and notes using your device's camera. For commercial or public use, explore our NaturalReader commercial web application. Enhance your browsing experience with our Chrome extension, enabling you to listen to web pages, Google Docs, online Kindle books, and emails directly from your browser. Add it to Chrome for free today. NaturalReader offers versatile accessibility, seamlessly integrating into both your computer and mobile devices. This ensures that the power of text-to-speech technology is always at your fingertips, whether you're at your desk or on the go. With NaturalReader installed across your devices, you can rely on its functionality and convenience whenever the need arises, providing uninterrupted access to spoken content whenever and wherever you require it.